In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best audio mixers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the audio mixers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, FP10 FROKET DJ Mixer Console. The FP10 FROKET is a professional DJ mixer console designed to elevate live performance. It features Bluetooth connectivity for wireless playback, intuitive controls for smooth mixing, and a stage-ready build. Perfect for DJs who need reliable sound and versatility, this mixer delivers excellence in both design and output. Ideal for gigs, events, and professional audio setups. Now 52% off, a great deal for serious performers. Number 4, IKGE DP10 10-channel DJ Mixer. The IKGE DP10 is a 10-channel DJ mixer built for pro audio recording and live DJing. With Bluetooth 5.0, it allows wireless music input and boasts 99 DSP effects for rich, professional sound. Designed for DJs, podcasters, and studio setups, it delivers high-quality audio and intuitive control. Whether you're mixing live or recording in the studio, the DP10 is your all-in-one solution. Get it now at 59% off, studio power at a budget price. Number 3, ARVOMIC ARMX6 6-channel mixer. The ARVOMIC ARMX6 is an ideal mixer for small stages, gigs, or home studios. With 6 channels, USB and Bluetooth support, and ultra-low noise preamps, it's built for clear and professional audio. The FX and AUX send options allow external sound processing, while its detailed manual makes setup easy. A budget-friendly, high-performance choice for creators and performers. Grab it now at 56% off for unbeatable value. Number 2, LOMEHO AM-GT6 6-channel mixer. The LOMEHO AM-GT6 is a feature-rich 6-channel audio mixer perfect for DJs, podcasters, and music producers. It offers 24-bit quality with 99 DSP effects, Bluetooth streaming, and USB play/record functions. Each mono channel includes individual phantom power, ensuring flexibility and clean recording. It's a compact, powerful mixer for any professional or hobbyist audio setup. Now available with a limited-time discount. Number 1, XTUGA 6/8-channel audio mixer. The XTUGA 6/8-channel mixer is perfect for webcasts, stage tuning, and music production. It features 8 mic inputs, stereo channels, USB interface for recording, and Bluetooth for easy wireless audio streaming. With 99 DSP effects, it ensures high-quality sound for both live and recorded sessions. Whether you're hosting a podcast, streaming live, or performing, this mixer has the tools you need. A reliable pick at a great price.